How to receive crypto in Robinhood app. So simply open your Robinhood app on your phone, and once you are here, we want to go to our profile in the right down corner area, and here is the section transfer crypto. So simply open it and make sure you have the transfer crypto feature enabled. So I got here unlimited receiving crypto option. If you don't have it, you have to set it up, verify your email address and identity. So now if you want to receive some crypto, go back to your portfolio and open the crypto which you want to receive, for example, Bitcoin, and scroll down and you will find option receive. So simply click it. Now I cannot share with you that screen because I'm screen recording, but it will provide you the QR code address, and something else can scan this QR code address and send you crypto or Bitcoin to your wallet, into your Robinhood. So provide your QR code to your friend and he can send you to this app. That's basically it. If you have any questions, leave a comment and see you next time.